Okay. Don't have George here, but boom, kick it off. Quick shop update. And actually, this will be the first YouTube video I've uploaded with the GoPro camera. So got a new toy, gonna try it out. Still figuring it out. Here we have the sandrail. Sandrail is transaxle-less. We took that out and sent it over to Mark's Sand Trans. We had a mishap on the dunes last time. Somebody might have put it in the wrong gear and chunked reverse. And so we'll see what happens here, but looks like Mark is the guy around here. Anybody who's got a sandrail and maybe a VW transaxle or a Mendiola, which is what this has probably heard of Mark. He's the one who built the transaxle prior. I get a receipt in the paperwork when I bought this thing. And so we'll see what happens there, but hopefully it is an easy fix with reverse gear braking, which apparently isn't too uncommon for these. They're kind of weak for that. But and again, the old Camaro, I actually just uploaded a video last weekend. This thing won an award at the Cuts Force Canby Cruise-In. And so had a good time wheeling it down there and back and putting it in the show there for the day. And thanks Total Car Care for the nice award. It was a sponsor's award, so appreciate that. But yeah, that's kind of what's happening here. The Camaro hasn't really needed much. Probably just jinxed it. But we're going to race this thing at Woodburn Drag Strip in a couple weeks. It is the Fall Classic. And so I've got a match race set up with Scott Fink in his 30 Model A. And we'll see what happens there. We're going to race heads up, and we may have a little money on it. And so should be a good time. Hope to see everybody there. That particular event has the Double B funny cars. It has my favorite classes, the Outlaw 8.5 and the Outlaw 10.5 classes will be running. So we're going to check out that event and race this thing in that. So we'll see how it does. I'll swap it over to the drag wheels and tires. I'm going to get some help from my buddy Scott Davis and glue the beads on the drag tires because the rims are spinning inside the tire. A couple times I've run it, it spins pretty far. And so I'm going to try some glue and see if that does the trick. So anyway, yeah, hopefully next video we'll show you some stuff from Woodburn. And if I get the sandrail back together, we hope to get one more sand trip out of it. And there's the old Nova just sitting there under the cover. So we had a good time with that, racing it at Woodburn, Hot Rod Nationals. And it ran just fine. The quickest was an 850 at 175, just running it easy. And had a good time down there. I think I posted a video for that too, so it's up on the channel. So D Loney V8 Motorsports, please like and subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And get this uploaded and see how it turned out. Thanks.